Hi everyone, welcome back to my cozy lifestyle. Today the weather was really calm. It had been raining a little and everything just felt slow and peaceful. I wasn't in the mood to do anything hectic, so I just decided to take things easy and spend some time in the kitchen, making something simple for the day. I had already boiled these chickpeas earlier and kept them in the freezer. So it actually makes things a lot easier on days like this. Little meal prep like this really helps when you don't feel like doing everything from scratch. So I just started with some basic prep. I'm just trying to take things a little slow these days, not rushing too much. Some days I feel like doing a lot, and some days I just want to keep things simple like this. I have realized I don't always need to do everything perfectly, just doing a little is also enough. Chopping everything slowly. I don't like rushing in the kitchen. When you go slow, everything feels more calm and manageable. I also made a quick paste with ginger, garlic, tomato, and green chili. It just adds a nice flavor. Once everything is ready, cooking becomes quite simple. At this point, I just focus on one thing at a time. No overthinking, just going with the flow. While I prepare paste for the chickpea, I put water on the other side for rice. I like doing things together like this. It saves time and energy. I like keeping my meals simple. It just makes everything feel easier. Home cooked food like this always feels more comforting somehow. I don't follow any strict recipe. I just cook the way I feel like. Once the masala was nicely cooked, I added the chickpea and just let everything cooking together properly. I think I'm slowly learning to enjoy these quiet moments more. It's not always about being productive, sometimes it's just about slowing down. While everything is cooking, I just like to clear a few things in between. It's not proper cleaning, just small things here and there. It just makes things easier later. I have been trying to build this habit of cleaning as I go so later everything doesn't pile up together. And honestly, I don't like seeing too many things lying around in the kitchen. I just take out a few minutes like this whenever I can. A clean space just makes me feel a little more calm and settled. Even small cleaning make a big difference in how the space feels. by the time this is done, the food is almost ready as well. I kept the meal very simple today. Chickpea, rice, some curd and a little salad. This kind of food is always the most comforting. And if you enjoy watching these kind of simple real life videos, you can consider subscribing to my channel. After all that, finally sitting down and eating feels so nice, like a small reward after doing everything. While everything is almost done, I like to take this time to just clean a few things around me. It's not like a proper deep cleaning, just basic things like washing the utensils, wiping the stove, and putting everything back in place. I have realized over time that doing a little bit in between really helps. Even right now, I am just clearing whatever is in front of me, washing the bowls, cleaning the counter, and just bringing the kitchen back to normal state. I don't try to make it perfect, I just focus on making it clean enough so that later I don't have to start from zero again. I think these small habits really makes a difference, not just in managing the house but also mentally. I just clean the sink, wipe the counter and set everything back. And a clean kitchen at the end just feels really peaceful. And once everything was done, the kitchen just feels so much lighter. I feel when the kitchen is clean, my mind also feels a little more settled. After everything was done, I made myself a cup of green tea and just sat down for a while with my book. I think these are my favorite moments of the day when everything is done and I can just sit quietly without rushing. Days like this are not very productive or exciting, but they feel calm in their own way. And right now, I think that's exactly what I need. Anyway, that's it for today. Until next time, keep smiling and bye-bye.